Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Freeyond M6 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that we've got the internet connection, it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in or log in to be able to use the Google Play Store. And if you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So after entering and signing up or logging into the Google Play Store, we have to tap on this circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then tap on Manage. And here we've got the list of currently installed apps. After tapping on the updates available, we can check which one we can update. So here all we have to do is to find the apps we want to update and mark them. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of the apps listed here. I will choose 3 of them, for example, those ones, and maybe Google Messages. And if you're ready, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and right now your device will simply download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied, so you do not have to do anything more. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.